Welcome back, everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload files and folders using the Dropbox mobile app. Whether you're on Android or iPhone, the steps are simple and easy to follow. So let's get started. First, make sure you have the Dropbox app installed on your mobile device. If you're using an Android phone, download it from the Google Play Store. And if you're using an iPhone or iPad, you'll find it in the Apple App Store. Once the installation is complete, open the app and sign in using your Dropbox account details. After logging in, you'll land on your Dropbox home screen. From here, navigate to the folder where you want to upload your files. Let me select G Drive folder. You can upload to any folder, even one you've just created. Now when you are inside the folder, look at the bottom of your screen and tap the big plus button. This is the main upload and create menu in Dropbox. When the menu opens, you'll see several options. For uploading content, choose Upload Files if you want to add documents, images, audio, or videos. If you want to upload an entire folder, select Create or Upload Folder. Once you tap the option, your phone's file browser will open. Here, you can scroll through your device storage and select the file or folder you want to upload. Just tap on the item to select it. Dropbox will immediately start uploading the file to your chosen folder. You'll see a small progress indicator that shows how much of the upload is complete. Larger files, especially videos, may take a bit longer depending on your internet speed. As soon as the upload is finished, the files will appear in your Dropbox folder, fully synced and ready to access from any device. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded files and folders using the Dropbox mobile app. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.